ఓం నమ శివాయ. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు నేను మాట్లాడబోయే విషయం ఏమిటంటే, ఈ పాండమిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన కరోనా గురించి, కోవిడ్-19, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద నేమ్ యూ విల్ కాల్. ఫర్ అవర్ identification, we'll put some name to some disease. It's a small virus which is uh, almost, it's creating a kind of situation like a biowar. People are panic because they don't know what to do, how to escape from uh, this disease. Even government doesn't know how to do, what to do. Even WHO, World Health Organization, also uh, don't have the solution at all. As a human being, we have done many mistakes. We developed in a evaluation process for sake of our own benefits, to simplify, to our laziness, to simplify, to become better. We have done many wrong mistakes. We have taken many wrong steps. We destroyed the complete nature. Uh, we polluted the air, and we completely, uh, we are we are not taking a proper water also. It means everything has been collapsed. And as said, many great astrologers or astronomy people, or some other the person who knows about certain looking forward people, the person who thinks, who assume and who predict something in the early age, they already said that this is Kali Yugam, so which the world has to be going to be end very sooner. Because the reason behind it, these are the symptoms which is coming from, like COVID-19 or some other diseases are coming. Some Sri Lanka also, some other dangerous virus also came. So nothing to, we don't have any option left. There is no option at all. These many days, uh, we created certain things, certain problems, and alternatively we found the answer for to certain problems. But now there is no option at all. The only thing is that we should avoid, we should realize, now at least we should realize. The realization is the most important thing, and uh, most very most thing is the realization. We should realize, as a person, as a society, as a group of people. Human being is not a alone. ఈ సమూహపు జీవి. And we can't live alone, right? We should live together. ఒక సాంఘిక, దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, ఒక సోషల్ బీయింగ్ అంటే అందరిని కలుపుకొని అందరితో కలిసి జీవించే మనస్తత్వం కలిగిన జీవి. యాజ్ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ యానిమల్ కింగ్డమ్, వీఆర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ మెచ్యూర్డ్ అండ్ హైలీ కన్నింగ్ animal is human being. We fall into in a animal kingdom. If you take our graph, homo sapiens, how it will comes, what is class, what is cross, what is species, which species, which subspecies, where we will fall. The classification is also there. So please guys, uh, be careful. Everyone has done the mistake, mainly politicians, businessmen. They least bother about certain things, the small things. It's a small virus today, everyone suffering because of that virus. Please try to understand, guys. This is not for people who is normal, I mean, who is in a middle class or lower middle class or upper middle class. It is only for this video, only for the person, for the sack of money, or for the benefit of his own. He has done very big mistakes. Those mistakes reflection is today the God is punishing us. God means supreme being. You takes Allah, Jesus, Shiva, Buddha, whoever the God. Somebody believes in something, somebody believes in some other thing. So ultimately we should have a faith on God, and we should respect each and other, respect everyone, even respect the virus also. We should respect the virus also, because uh, in this whole globe universe, in this cosmic world, in this whole universe, everyone has their potentiality, like Darwin theory, fittest of the survival. So it is fitting, it's very strong, because it has the capability to survive in this world. So we should respect the virus. It has its own right to live here. We should respect the virus. But these kind of situations coming, only I don't want to blame one particular country, because of this country came like this, because of this country this vaccine is came out, because of this country. I don't want such things here. I don't want. It's a completely human error, human mistake. Human done this mistake, and in future I'm sure that many things going to be happen. Be careful. In this bio war we can't survive. Slowly, completely it will be destroyed. I don't want to take much more time. It's almost 7 minutes is done. Thank you guys. Thank you. All the best.